Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with HSBC for international banking, full guide step by step clearly. To connect with HSBC for international banking, start by visiting their official website. On the home page, locate the International Banking section. Click on this section to explore various international banking services. Review the services provided, such as international accounts, foreign currency accounts, and global transfers. Choose the service that best meets your needs. When ready, look for the Contact Us option, usually found at the bottom of the page. Click on Contact Us to reveal different ways to reach HSBC. You will see options for phone, email, and live chat support. If you prefer speaking with someone, note the international phone numbers listed. Choose the number that corresponds to your country or region. Prepare your questions or account details for the call to ensure a smooth conversation. If you opt for email communication, find the provided email address for international inquiries. Compose your email, clearly stating your questions or concerns. Include your contact information for a prompt response. For quick assistance, consider using the live chat feature. Click on the live chat option and wait for a representative to join the conversation. Once connected, clearly explain your banking needs to the representative. If you need to set up an account, ask for guidance on the required documentation. If visiting a physical branch is an option, locate your nearest HSBC branch. Check branch hours and schedule your visit accordingly. Prepare any necessary documents before your visit. During your visit, discuss your international banking needs with a bank representative. Ask about fees, services, and how to manage your account online. After your inquiry, ensure you have clear instructions on the next steps. Review any materials or information provided to understand your options better. Take note of contact information in case you need further assistance later. Make sure to follow up if you have any lingering questions or if your needs change. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.